Hello and welcome to Chris All Motorcycles in Doncaster, and welcome to the channel. Today we're doing a quick startup of this Bultaco Metralla 250. Obviously with it being a race bike, it's on the rollers, so hit it.
Okay.
How good does that sound, folks? How good does that sound? Okay, so that's the Bultaco Metralla 250 in stock at Chris All Motorcycles. Any questions, give me a shout, 01302 760 967, and don't forget, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, and tick that bell for notifications, because that sounds awesome. Until next time, cheers for watching, stay safe, kettle's always on. Cheers.